Hi, so hello students, welcome to DCA. Today we are going to announce the upcoming NDA 2 2021 batch, right? So many of you who might have tried in NDA 1 and may have, you feel that you have missed by some margin, or if you are trying to have a fresh start for NDA 2 2021, right? This is all about the DCA upcoming batch that is named as NEEV. NEEV is actually the foundation, right? So when you have the durable time, right, so it's more or less around 75 days of batch, right, where we'll be covering exhaustively, right, because we don't think that 35, 40 or 50 days are sufficient enough, because to be honest, if you look at the syllabus, you have to cover class 11 12th mathematics as a whole, right, and even God can complete that as a whole thing in 30 40 days, right? So that's a good opportunity actually. So we'll share you the details of that, why you should opt for, why you should choose the new batch of DCA if you are planning for NDA 2. आपको ये batch आपके लिए कैसे beneficial है, why it's better than others, right? One thing is that many people opt for the the low cost batches, like somebody's told me that we can get 2000, we can get NDA coaching in 2000. Yes, you can, आप जाइए, right, but 4 पेज से ज्यादा नहीं पढ़ाएगा कोई, and you cannot ask the doubts, right? So चवन्नी छाप is not this, right? So even a good faculty, if you have some good faculty, we have to pay them, right? Good things always cost, right? So I will tell you how, right? So first, the duration is 75 days, 300 plus class hours. Of course, it's an online mode. Reason, the pandemic going on, and as per the government instructions, coachings are closed off in Chandigarh and Punjab as well, right? Maybe in some other state it might be open, but we are following the government guidelines. We cannot open the coaching right now, so that's why we have to start early. That is online. It's suitable as well, because as you are watching this whiteboard and the person that is the faculty, the similar things you will be getting in the lectures as well. This all lectures are by default recorded, so we are not selling the recorded sessions. These are live class where you can ask the faculty, if you raise your hand you can ask, right? So direct communication is there, okay, apart from the test and the doubt sessions, right? We discuss test papers as well, right? Right, so these are the basics of this batch. Now the best thing about is that when you opt for any coaching, why you opt for a particular coaching? Let's suppose you are talking about the Patna coaching, Allahabad coaching, Delhi coaching, and right now in Chandigarh. What things you need to look upon? You need to look upon the faculty credentials. Who are they? You need to look upon the content. Have you ever been going through our content? We shared that in NDA 1 2021. By Almighty blessing, by God blessing, we have got more than 30 questions out of 50 in only social science. Leave the science part, leave the mathematics part, right? And we are saying that the NDA, one of the guy that is Abhikankshit, is going to score around 600 in NDA, although he is going to make into the IIT JEE as well, right? So that's a school program student. So look at the faculty, we have faculty content test, right? We are not the copy pasted test. If you have appeared for our test, you might have definitely felt something new, that is the heat, right? You will feel that these questions are highly conceptual, right? It's not lengthy, it's conceptual, believe me. Next, the syllabus. We are aware of the syllabus. We are not following the Pathfinder or XYZ, right? We check out the official syllabus and make our own notes according to that. We are not copy paste of Pathfinders as many of the so-called coachings are. Right, when you get their notes, you will come to know that some of them are copy pasted from that only, right? Small batch, so we have hardly a batch size of online में जो हमारा batch size होता है, that is 16 to 18 students, right? So we commit that it will not be more than 18 at any cost, right? It will be quite small batch, where that's why we are able to interact with each and every of the students. Now let's talk about the faculties. So we believe that the mathematics, all the teachers are taken by, all the content of mathematics are taken by the faculties who are taking IIT JEE coaching classes in many of the prestigious IIT coaching, right? So we have faculties from Narayana, right? Mr. Roshan, we have Chaitanya, Mr. Moksh, Laksh, Vikashi, right? And apart from this, we have for one specific portion, that is statistics. There is a specific portion, correlation and regression. So we have Ms. Dr. Vandana Garg, she is a professor, right? She takes after the statistics portion. So credentials are always there. We have only those who train for IIT JEE mathematics for our maths classes, right? One of them who takes few classes, he is from the LN, right? So he takes classes at LN. I cannot declare that कि वो कौन से LN में, he is copyright हो जाता है. Then we have the English, right? So English is taken by the faculty who takes the CSAT classes, right? So of course he himself has cleared the exam, right? Of course UPSC, not NDA. So CSAT consists of English. You need to be good in vocab as well, reading comprehension as well, right? He takes for the CSAT as well as the other batches. So GAT, you might be worried if you are, right? Although we feel that this time GAT was easy. So geography, I take the geography class actually, right? So I have been taking that for the civil services exam as well, right? When I qualified as well. History and polity, this will be taken by, right, Mrs. Sachin, that is, the CAPF and CDS batch faculty, right? So आपके batch में तो क्या है कि we give booklets as well, and you need to cover those booklets. Question will be definitely from there, right? Physics, right, from the IITM Madras faculty. Chemistry and bio by those who have in the foundation batch of NEET, right? So we have school programs as well. So the Ms. Sota will take the this NEET chemistry and bio basics, which are the part of the NDA syllabus. So each and every faculty has some credentials associated, right? ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने किसी को उठाया पटना बाजार समिति से बुला लिया, किसी को इलाहाबाद से बुला, ऐसा नहीं है, right? They know the UPSC very well. They go through the trends, in fact, we look over the questions of UPSC EPF as well. You will look over the question of UPSC internal exams as well, so that we can be sure what exactly and how exactly questions can be interpreted by UPSC. You need to be very much aware about these things. If you put the, behind the scene work is very important. If you are really preparing someone for the UPSC, and that's what we do. Success is a practice, and we do. We always said that when the exam gets tougher, choose the better, and hence choose the DCA NEET batch. What you will get, yes, when you enroll, printed notes of the GAT as well as vocab builder and the mathematics assignment will be delivered to your home address. We don't give the study material consists of around 3000 pages, right? So booklet, different booklets. So these booklets will not be given as PDF, otherwise it will be shared on WhatsApp, right? Booklets we deliver at your address through the courier. आपके address पे आ जाएगा printed. Next, class assignment. The topics going on, we have some assignment related to that. So that will be uploaded in our DCA app, where you can check out. You can check out that PDF only, right? And we discuss the class, we discuss the test, right? Which is actually good. Batch size, as I already mentioned, it's less than 16. And the most, it's last but not the least, the guarantee, right? So DCA, the only institution which actually guarantees the question, right? We have shared it on our recording as well. Right, you can check upon the page number. Any student who have taken the booklet, right? So minimum around 90 plus students have taken the booklets right now this year, right? You can check upon any of the guys who know this. Please turn on the page and verify whether the points were definitely put in the notes or not. क्या question वाकई notes से आया थे कि नहीं? आप किसी भी अपने दोस्त से जिसने भी booklets लिया हो या आपका कोई नो indirect कहीं मिले, WhatsApp ग्रुप में मिले, आप प्लीज उससे पूछ लीजिए कि हाँ भाई ये पेज नंबर पे चेक करना है कि नहीं. वो आपको बताएगा. अगर नहीं होगा तो बताएगा ना फोटो खींच के कि नहीं है. राइट अगर होगा आप उसको कहीं उस पेज की फोटो भेजे, आपको जरूर मिलेगा. राइट चेक इट आउट, दैट्स अ DCA गारंटी. राइट क्वालिटी टेस्ट सीरीज, तो जब सिलेबस पूरा खत्म हो जाता है तो वी लॉन्च अनदर टेस्ट सीरीज दैट इज कॉल्ड अग्नि परीक्षा. ऑल दीज स्टूडेंट्स विल बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस बाय डिफॉल्ट. और अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, राइट, द फ्री SSB OIR टेस्ट that you can appear online will be available to all those students who are the part of this batch. So that's a brief detail of this batch starting from 16th May to 31st July. And any details you need, or you can say that the course brochure, course prospectus available as this, right? 7710548960, right? So the course fees will be approximately 20k. Apart from the study materials, I think lump sum it will be 25,000, right? Sorry, 23,000, right? Including all those things, the postal, study notes, everything. We'll be sharing the details as well, and it's actually a low cost, course actually. If I say on camera, reason, right? So when we have one teacher, one faculty for a class, we have a due amount, we have a good amount, we have to pay him for that, right? Because we pay faculty as per their credentials. You know that if I are hiring someone from the quota or someone faculty having the credentials of Narayana Chaitanya batch, we have to pay it hefty, because they work hard. They work hard on the questions, they work hard on the lectures, they work on your doubt, right? So quality needs a payment, and that's why the fee is, it's actually genuine, right? if I can give you the coaching at 2000 also, but in that case we will have the faculty who might be in class 12th or BSc, a simple BSc guy, जो YouTube पे जो 50 लोग है ना, जो कुछ भी बोलते रहते हैं, right? If you ask them the question, let me, आप बताइए टेस्ट में आके बैठे, right? Anybody can say anything, but credentials is credential. It takes time. समय लगता है इस चीजों को समझने में, right? So they spent their lot of time, and that's called experience, to take out the question, to tackle the questions. When these are the part of our, two of the faculties are the part of our school program and the foundation program as well, which actually gives us the better result, right? And this is the details all shared to you. Any questions, queries, do write us at 77105 48960. Thank you. See you.